Watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it, let's get it done. You step it up a notch. We can do it, we can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch. If I'm anything like you, and I expect as much, we're both more than ready to go from look to touch. And that's the start. 'Cause watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. Let's get to it, let's get it done. You, let's step it up a notch. We can do it, we can get it done. Don't do, and doers don't watch. Watchers don't do, so let's step it up a notch. We can do it, we can get it done. And doers don't watch. Watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it, let's get it done. You, let's step it up a notch. We can do it, we can get it done. And doers don't watch. Watchers don't do, so let's step it up a notch. We can do it, we can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, yes we're doers. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch.
Well, it cuts him down. I don't know where to go from here. Rake them out maybe. I wish I had a little flat bottom boat. The pond is starting to look more like a pond. Looks bigger, that's for sure. Alright, let's see if I can go get a rake and see if that helps.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountain top. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside
hear slapping on the camera and no talking, that's Tammy smacking mosquitoes on her. She's going like this. No, she's not. Put this up and we're gonna head for the house and get out of the mosquitoes. Go ahead, slap some.
They're all over. I'm just glad I put pants on.
Not me. All right.
I had a dog shake on me.
A dog what on you?
Shake,
Oh, shake.
shake.
Shake. All right. So, look how much bigger the pond is because
I see that.
there's about 10 feet there that didn't look like pond before. All right. Well, it's coming. So I think this is going to be the end of the video for taking care of the pond, at least this stage. Later on, when things start to get more finished, maybe I'll make another video, but I got a lot of video footage right now about this pond that I don't know how to use. Hours of just me walking around doing things with like 10 seconds of interest in them. So I'll try to weed through that in the near future so you can see that we are truly reclaiming this water hole into something. So see y'all later. And I always am reminded, please subscribe, please like, and please share with your friends. See ya. I need to name my lake. What are them plants? There's some sort of water plant down here that's flowering. Those things flower. Look at that. I didn't have any idea those flowered. Alright, let's see if I can get myself to shore. Power stroke, put her halfway up there.
That's power.
Huh?
That's power.
Let's try that again. This way. That was most awesome. Boy, there's frogs everywhere still. That, my friends, is how it's done.
You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you, caress you, and love you till I die.